In today's digital age, mastering online marketing is no longer optional, it's essential. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or an aspiring marketer, a strong online presence can make all the difference. But navigating the ever-evolving world of digital marketing can feel overwhelming. That's where Roadmap 3.0 comes in. Roadmap 3.0 is your comprehensive guide to unlocking success in the digital realm. This isn't just another course, it's a game changer. It's packed with actionable strategies, proven tactics, and insider secrets to help you achieve your online goals. Get ready to elevate your skills, amplify your brand, and drive exceptional results. With Roadmap 3.0, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to thrive in the exciting world of digital marketing. Let's dive in and explore how this transformative program can empower you to reach new heights. What exactly is Roadmap 3.0, you ask? It's your all-access pass to mastering the art and science of digital marketing. This meticulously crafted course is designed to take you from beginner to expert, empowering you with the skills and knowledge to navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Roadmap 3.0 covers it all, from the fundamentals of SEO and content marketing to the intricacies of social media advertising and email marketing. We leave no stone unturned. You'll learn how to build a high-converting website, craft compelling content that ranks, and reach your target audience with laser precision. But it's not just about theory. Roadmap 3.0 is all about practical application. You'll get your hands dirty with real-world examples, case studies, and actionable steps that you can implement immediately. Get ready to transform your digital marketing strategy and achieve the results you've always dreamed of. Let's talk value. Roadmap 3.0 is more than just a course, it's an investment in your future. It's jam-packed with valuable resources, expert insights, and bonus materials designed to accelerate your digital marketing journey. You'll gain access to exclusive video modules, downloadable templates, and step-by-step guides that will save you countless hours of trial and error. We've distilled years of experience and expertise into this comprehensive program, so you don't have to start from scratch. And the best part, Roadmap 3.0 is constantly updated with the latest trends and strategies in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. You'll always be ahead of the curve, ensuring that your skills remain sharp and your strategies stay effective. Here's where things get really exciting. Roadmap 3.0 comes with master resale rights, giving you the incredible opportunity to not only transform your own digital marketing, but also to empower others while generating income. That's right, you can sell Roadmap 3.0 as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. This means you can leverage this high-value course to build your own business, expand your income streams, and share your passion for digital marketing with the world. The master resale rights provide you with the freedom and flexibility to chart your own course. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, start a side hustle, or build a full-fledged digital marketing agency, Roadmap 3.0 empowers you to take control of your financial future. Section 5. Transformative Results. witnessing the Roadmap 3.0 effect. Don't just take our word for it. See what others have achieved with Roadmap 3.0. We've witnessed countless success stories from individuals and businesses who have transformed their online presence and achieved remarkable results. From small startups to established enterprises, Roadmap 3.0 has empowered countless individuals to increase website traffic and generate more leads, boost sales and revenue through effective online marketing, build a strong brand presence, and establish thought leadership, expand their reach and connect with a wider audience, unlock new career opportunities, and achieve financial freedom. These success stories are a testament to the power and effectiveness of Roadmap 3.0. No matter your background or experience level, this program can equip you with the skills and knowledge to achieve your digital marketing goals. Inside Roadmap 3.0, a glimpse into the digital marketing powerhouse. Let's explore the comprehensive modules of Roadmap 3.0, Digital Marketing Fundamentals. Understand your target audience and set SMART goals. SEO mastery, learn keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Content marketing, create valuable, engaging content. Social media master platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, paid advertising, create effective campaigns and maximize ROI. Email marketing, nurture leads and drive conversions. Analytics and tracking, measure success and optimize campaigns. Section 7, designed for success, user-friendly, and results-driven. We understand that your time is valuable. That's why we've designed Roadmap 3.0 to be as user-friendly and accessible as possible. Our intuitive platform allows you to learn at your own pace, on your own schedule for Nyoiche, from anywhere in the world. Whether you prefer to learn through video lessons, downloadable resources, or interactive quizzes, Roadmap 3.0 has you covered. Our engaging content and bite-sized modules make learning fun and effective, ensuring that you retain the information and can apply it to your own marketing efforts. Section 8, your journey to digital marketing mastery starts now. The world of digital marketing is waiting for you. With Roadmap 3.0, you have the tools, the knowledge, and the support to unlock your full potential and achieve your online goals. Imagine the possibilities. Building a thriving online business that generates passive income. Landing your dream job in the exciting field of digital marketing. Becoming a sought-after consultant and helping businesses succeed online. These dreams are within your reach. Roadmap 3.0 provides you with the roadmap to success, guiding you every step of the way. Section 9, don't just dream it, achieve it. Enroll in Roadmap 3.0 today. You've read about the incredible value, the transformative results, and the empowering potential of Roadmap 3.0. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Enroll in Roadmap 3.0 today and embark on your journey to digital marketing mastery. Click the link below to learn more and join our thriving community of digital marketers. The future of your online success starts now. We can't wait to welcome you to the Roadmap 3.0 family.